Hello everyone, welcome to Kidsnetic. In today's video, we are going to see about the most important trick which is needed for children who are having problems with shapes, angles and need a high score in the geometry subject and are struggling with them, and also for parents who wants to give their kids a very strong base of shapes in the early childhood days. First, we'll see about my own personal experience where I faced problem with this subject and how I used this trick to resolve it. Secondly, we'll see details of the trick. Before seeing all this, if you have not checked out my video on all about shapes, kindly do check out. I'm giving the iCard and the link in the description box. Now, without any further ado, let's go into the video. Start off with my personal experience. I was doing my first year of engineering and here comes the subject engineering graphics. It deals with all geometry, shapes, angles, etc. In my first exam, I failed. I'm a kind of person who gets a score between 70 to 90, a bit average, but I didn't expect a failure at that moment, a first year of college. It was so shocking for me. I didn't know how to handle it. Thank God my professor gave me a practical assignment, and after I completed it, I got 96% out of 100. This was even more shocking than my failure. Only after that I understood how practical things are really working out so well. I just wanted to make this video in order to share my own lesson to all parents and teachers so that you can sow the seeds at an earlier age of your kids so that they can have a good experience of how practical things will work really in their lives. Now let's see the details of the trick. This trick consists of two parts. First one is to manually create these 3D and 2D shapes using cardboard and construction paper. We are going to see a DIY activity where I'll be sharing of how to do all these shapes. Secondly, we'll see about the activity associated with this shape in order to get a high score in your subject. If your children is less than 5 years old, you can do it for them. But before them, that's very important. If your children is above 5 years old, teach them how to do these shapes. Now we'll see of the DIY activity. creating these shapes, first give a quick check on the identification of shapes. Ask them where is the cuboid. They have to pick and show you the cuboid. Then ask them place this shape on the cuboid card. They have to search for the cuboid card and place it correctly. Next, build me. You have to teach them how to build these shapes using the straw and Play-Doh and the toothpick and the Play-Doh. 3D shapes can be easily built using toothpick and 2D shapes using straw or even using popsicles also. Next, we have to teach how to count the shapes. For this, we have to teach these terms: angles, sides, vertices for 2D shapes, edges, faces and vertices for 3D shapes. Angles are nothing but the space between these two lines. Vertices are the corners, and this is the side for 2D. For 3D, edges, the line connecting the two corners. Faces are nothing but the sides, and vertices are the corners. After teaching this, ask your kid to take a shape. For example, square. They have to count the angles: 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 angles in a square. They have to write it. And sides: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And the vertices: 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 vertices. And for 3D shape, how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges in a cube. And faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 faces. And vertices: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we can teach them how to trace the shapes. Through this, they'll get a good pincer grip, and it will be a base of writing also. They can color this using the dry mark eraser. The next activity is read and write on me. Here the child has to read the shape name. I already uploaded a video on the phonic sounds. If you have not seen that video, I'm giving the description on also an iCard. Do check out. Here the child has to read each individual letter using the phonic name, and they can easily blend it. After blending it, then they can trace the letter using the dry mark eraser pen. So they can read as K, A, B, O, I, D, K, B, O, I, D, cuboid. In this way, they'll get a quick blending and a reading technique. You can get all these printables for free. I'm giving the link in the description box. Kindly to download. And if these tricks are going to help me in my personal life even after so many years, kids are really smart and they can grasp things at a quick pace. So kindly do teach them about these tricks and help them to get a high score and a good concept about shapes. And also mention your feedback, your comments, your suggestions, anything. This is going to be a driving factor for me to give more useful content for your kids. If this video was useful, kindly give a like and share it with your friends also. Until I meet you all in my next video, it's Tata bye bye and happy learning.